All right, fellas, it's me again. Another day, another project. Let me give my finished touches to my new act. It's gonna come out beautiful. You guys gonna love it. You guys gonna love it. Are you guys ready for this? All right, follow in my journey. Follow me in my journey and see what I come up with. All right, remember, let's build something together. See you, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. Hey, good morning, fellas. This is me again. Another day, another project. But today we're gonna start amazing day. I just received a package from one of my viewers. Well, it's nice to know that many people look at my videos and they have fun with it. So this company reached to me and asked me if I wanna try some other products. You know what I mean? I guess promote them a little bit. So yes, so definitely. What is it? So they send me a few stuff that I need to give it a try and see how it works. Let me show you what I got. All right, let's unpack this. All right, and oh wow. Look what I got. Got me a nice bag. The company is called Basecamp. I don't know if you can see it. Basecamp. All right. What did they specialize on? Let me show you what they. Look, respirator, a mask. So, you know, when I'm doing my sanding, when I'm doing my painting, when I'm doing it, so many things I can use it for. And I got one. And I didn't just get one. I got two. What else he have? Clips. You know, you put this over the mask so it won't bother your nose. You know what I mean? That's that. I get two. And I get the manuals. Look at that. Look at that. That's the man. Well, wait. So what I'm saying is that, you know, we are so concerned about protecting our eyes, protecting our ears. You know, when I'm using my chainsaw, when I'm grinding something, you know what I mean, or I'm sanding something. We always protect our but not our lungs. And that's the most important thing, protect your lungs, because you know you can see them, but eventually they're gonna fail with it. So that's why you have to protect them. And that's what these people are trying to do, trying to help me. So they send me this. Open it. Look at this. Look at this beautiful mask. Huh? It has filters on. And you know, and what it said, it's 99.6% protection. 99.6. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look, all right, so you just adjust it as you need it. It goes on your head. See that? It goes on your head. And then this goes around and you strap it. And look at this. Look at this. Can you hear me clear? Because that's important too, that you can hear me. Because, you know what I mean? And it's nice and tight. And if it's a little bit loose, you can always adjust it. You know what I mean? You can always adjust the headband. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah, they sent me two masks, right? And they have extra filters. Extra filters. Where are the extra filters? I know I have extra filters. No. Extra filters with it, right? And it's a beautiful. It's very comfortable. You know what I mean? Very, very comfortable. So let me give it a try. You know what I mean? Let me give it a try and see how it goes. And remember, let's build something together. Hey, listen, they want me to promote this, and let me see how it works. You know what I mean? But eventually, it's gonna be a beautiful thing. And listen, if you guys are interested, just visit Basecamp. Check it on TikTok. They're all over TikTok. You know, I'm a TikTok fanatic, you know what I mean? So, and always look for Marcos Woodwork. Marcos Woodwork and Basecamp working together. See you. All right, fellas, remember, let's build something together. See you. And like I said, if I could do it, you can do it. See ya. And thank you guys from Basecamp for being concerned about my health. You know what I mean? That's very, very important. And I gotta give it a try. Definitely it's gonna work. Because you know it has the one-way valve. You know what I mean? So nothing comes in your nose. You know, at the end of the day, when I'm going home and I'm getting ready to go to work, and shower myself, and you know, wood comes out of my nose. Wood comes out of my nose. But this is it. And like I said, if you guys are interested, don't forget to visit Basecamp. Here we go again. Basecamp. They sent me this beautiful bag. Look at this beautiful bag. Huh? This is a nice bag. Beautiful. So, this is the beginning of a new relation. All right? Basecamp and Marcus Woodward working together. See ya!
You know, one of the things that I like so far, my glasses hasn't been fogged. Hasn't got fogged yet. It's amazing. I've been pretty... Look, and it doesn't get fogged out. So, that's a plus. That is a plus with this mask. And remember, Basecamp, that's the place to go. If you need a mask, that's the place to go. Alright, fellas? Keep going. I'm almost done with this. And can you hear me clear? I want to know if you can hear me clear. Because that's very important too. Because... All right, let it dry. Let me take it from there. And it's amazing. I can use it for sanding. Let me move my phone a little bit. Excuse my mess. I'm upgrading. I'm redoing my shop. It's gonna be different. Because I have so much mess everywhere. But this is for now. And listen, Basecamp. Amazing. I like it so far. See, I was blowing dust on my sawdust that I got. I think got not even one in my nose. You know what I mean? I love it. And they're washable, they're reusable, filters are replaceable. Everything that a carpenter, that a mechanic, that a landscaper, that anybody in general can use. All right, fellas, that's it for now. And remember, let's build something together. See you. And if I can do it, you can do it. Adios.
Hey, what's going on, fellas? This is me again. You know what I mean? Another day, another project. But my project is done. It's completely done. I want you guys to see what I made. It came out so beautiful. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. That's my axe. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those flames going up there. Look at this. I just coated with epoxy. It looks very nice. Very, very nice. So, look at that. Look at that. That's how that's gonna be. That's it. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Hey, remember, let's build something together. If I can do it, you can do it. See ya. Let me get ready for my next project.